A new power game is unfolding in the Middle East, and the key US ally is quietly exploring new military friendship. While a major defense twist is emerging, involving Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and the US. And this time, the tensions is not about oil, it's about diplomacy, about fighter jets, power, and influence. I'm Dhriti Athri, and let's start with the surprise that is shaking Washington today. Saudi Arabia is reportedly showing strong interest in Turkey's next generation fighter jet program. Now, at first glance, it may sound like a really normal defense deal, right? But in global politics, arms deal is never just business. They are statements, signals, sometimes warning. Because for decades, Saudi Arabia has relied heavily on American military technology. Yes, from advanced aircraft to missile defense system, the US has remained the kingdom's primary security partner. Now, that relationship shaped the balance of power across the Gulf, and it also helped maintain the regional military advantage for Israel here. But now the equation, it may be changing. Turkey is reportedly offering something very different from Washington's traditional model here. Not just fighter jets, but partnership. Yes, joint production, technology sharing, and opportunity for local manufacturing inside Saudi Arabia. And this is where the story becomes bigger than just defense. Saudi Arabia is pushing a massive economic transformation plan aimed at reducing its dependency on oil and building a high-tech industry. Now, advanced defense manufacturing fits perfectly into that vision. Producing fighter jets locally means jobs, technology growth, industrial expansion, and most importantly, strategic independence. Inside Washington, this development is creating serious concern because defense deals have always been a very powerful diplomatic tool for American foreign policy. Now, when countries depend on US military system, they often stay closely aligned with the US strategic interest. If Saudi Arabia diversifies its defense partnership, that influence may weaken. Well, the situation becomes even more sensitive because of the political backdrop here. US President Donald Trump has previously promised advanced fighter jet sales to Saudi Arabia, reinforcing the military cooperation here. Well, those promises, they were meant to strengthen the alliance and maintain the US partnership in Gulf security. But Turkey's entry into this picture introduces competition and uncertainty as well. And Turkey itself has strong reasons to push this particular deal. Well, Ankara has spent years building its indigenous defense industry. Yes, developing advanced fighter aircraft is a huge milestone for Turkey's ambition to become a global military explorer. Now, winning Saudi Arabia as a customer would be a massive strategic victory here. In the meantime, for regional security experts, the stakes are enormous. If Saudi Arabia begins working closely with Turkey on advanced aircraft production, the Middle East could witness a shift in military partnership. New alliances may emerge, old defense dependencies may weaken now. And yes, how can we forget power dynamics across the Gulf could be reshaped. There is also a hidden strategic angle, by the way, maintaining Israel's technological defense edge over here. That's right. That is what America has always prioritized in the Middle East. Any new advanced technology, specifically partnership involving Saudi Arabia, must carefully navigate that balance. And that makes the entire situation even more politically sensitive. Though right now, nothing is final. Negotiations continue, diplomatic discussions are ongoing, and defense planners across multiple capitals are watching closely. But one thing is becoming clear. The Middle East is entering a new era where countries are no longer relying on single defense partners. They are diversifying, negotiating harder, and seeking technological independence.